Hi guys, today let's have an open box review of electric screwdriver. The brand name is Antrango. I bought it from Amazon. I know everyone's busy, so right now off the bat I'll let you know my conclusion. It's actually pretty nice screwdriver, but it does have design flaws. Alright, let's go to the detailed review. First of all, this is the box, so I already opened it out. Off the bat it says 71 drill bit, and you get this little magnet mat. You can put all those nuts and bolts on top of it. Here's a little bit manual. The weight is 60 gram. Lithium battery is very standard. Lithium battery is 320 milliamp per hour. It's a little bit less than the standard. Normally it is 350. This one only is 320. It has, what I like is that the 2 gears. First of all, right off the bat, I don't like the design because this is not a magnet container. You have to push it and slice down. A screwdriver, this is supposed to have 71 drill bit, and you only have half. The other half is on the other side, so you have to slide down. You got 2 sides over here. Now you opened it. I'm telling you, this is not something I like. It's very tight. It takes some effort. The really worst design is the bit. So there's no magnet holding the bit. You have to mechanically just push this down, and then you have to get it out very tight. It takes a lot of effort to get the bit off the container. Why? Because all the other manufacturers, they put this magnet. You can just leave it there and stay there. And this one is, you have to push it really hard. And also when you put it back, they have to maintain a certain angle. This container design is something to no to me. I'm not going to take this one. That's mainly the reason. One of the things that I like is this one is very tiny. This is 16 millimeter diameter. It's skinny than most screwdriver. Let's give a test run. So you can see there's a pretty lot of effort. The other thing I don't like is if you put it on, I don't know if you can see this. This actually only give you 3 LED light. It's only 3 LED light. Most screwdriver have a 4 LED light. This is the second reason or third reason I don't like it. It's very standard. Forward, you have backward. Press 1 time, you get LED. There's 3 LED on. Again, I hope they have 4 LED. The light is not very impressive. On the same button, LED button, you press second time is turn it off. And if you press and hold, after 5 seconds, this is low gear. If you press and hold, this is high gear. So for the low gear, I can pretty stop it. So less force. But press and hold for the high gear. Cannot even hold it. It's a lot of force. Charger over here. U plus, this is magnetization. You can U minus, this demagnetize if you don't like magnetization. It's a pretty standard design. From screwdriver perspective, I like screwdriver. Especially I like those 2 gears, low gear, high gear. You also have control of lights on, lights up. But what I cannot stand it is the very bad mechanical design for those container.